Rivers are amongst the great gifts of nature. Who can not experience a feeling of thrill whilst being on the banks of a river, especially one where the water is flowing vigorously? There is something extremely charming about rivers. Rivers, after all, are large streams of naturally flowing water. And there are rivers everywhere, all over the world. We see that civilizations grew up on the banks of rivers, historically speaking. Because without water you can't live. Water is life. So these rivers, they're actually the backbone of human civilization. And they have very enormous significance because they offered firstly the largest source of fresh water for drinking. But rivers constitute the primary source of fresh water for the residents of the Earth planet. And they are the biggest source of livelihood for everyone. Without rivers, there could be no life. When you sit on the banks of the river, you lose count of time. It is so beautiful and so soothing. It's so much in the mode of goodness. There are certain rivers which are very sacred, and you can actually make spiritual advancement by coming in contact with these rivers.